That's why I signed up for soft life. Like I not come to this life with better. Okay, guys, on my way to a school event. Normally, I don't usually go to school events. I'm not that participating type of person, but today, my distance was to oh, yeah. Guys, I don't even know when I was even coming here. I don't know. People were just looking at me as if I was a serial killer. Like, please reduce the way you're looking at me like that because sometimes it can be annoying. So people should just learn how to be looking at somebody appropriately because there's some looks that are very very annoying. But yeah, that is it. So, bye.
For your body. This is for your body.
Okay.
This is for your body as well. You could use a linen, curtains, your rugs, but you can use for your body as well. These are your car scents. Car scents. Reed sticks.
Good morning, guys. I don't know when you'll be watching this, but this is actually me preparing for my midterm that I have this week, and also I'm doing my assignment that they gave last week. Yeah, so guys, that's it. Just keep on watching. Love you. Guys, it's been long that I drew. Like, drawing is one talent that I know I had when I was still in primary school, and I even won the most artistic hand when I was in primary school. But I stopped drawing for the longest time possible, but I know if I had continued, I would have gone far by now in drawing. But I know I'm still good, but not as good when you are consistent. But you can still write it in the comment section. Okay guys, I'm done with my test for today. Actually the test was nice, but how the structure did confused me, but I know I did well. Like overall I know I did well. So guys, yeah, let's just pray for the best and plan for the worst. Guys, I'm already late to class, but the stupid thing I just did now was that I went to this thing another block thinking today was Tuesday because we are meant to stay in Lupopo Bay on Tuesday, then on Wednesday is Niger block, but I don't know what I was even doing, whether because of what I was rushing. I went and looked at Tuesday as if Tuesday was Wednesday. Guys, after rushing myself, I finally reached the Niger block and they said the class was cancelled. Then I met the lecturer on the way and I asked him the same thing. There's no class for today, that's due to the midterm break and a lot of things that we have to just cancel the class and we just have to prepare for our midterm. Okay guys, we're going to be unboxing some few things, and these are actually the things I got during the trade fair that I vlogged previously. And guys, these things have been with me for over 1 week and I haven't used some of them because I just want to show you guys when I'm doing the unboxing, because I enjoy doing unboxing and I know you guys, some of you will also enjoy watching unboxing. Yeah, guys, I'm starting with this smaller bag, the paint bag. And guys, the first thing I have is a tongue scraper. I haven't tried this tongue scraper before. I don't even know how the ways to use it, but I was influenced on social media to get one, so I just said to get one since I've seen the opportunity of getting one. Yeah, I even thought it was that expensive, but it's way cheaper than you expect. I think I got this thing around 1,500 naira, but since it's Abuja in Aba, it will be cheaper. They gave us direction on how to use it, and I got it in my favorite color, blue. Anything blue is just my favorite color. Anything blue, I just put it. So I know you guys have been seeing this tinkle eyebrow razor, but I just use this as for them planning. Like I use it to shave my facial hairs, and most people do, so I'm not the only one. Guys, it have been long I did a skincare video, so it would be nice if we start with derma planning. And I can't wait to try them out because it's because of this unboxing. That's why I haven't tried them out. But yeah, we're going to try them out very soon. Then the next thing I got was this 4 sets of beautiful oil perfumes. Like, guys, I don't know if I can show you guys, or I don't even know how to describe how this perfume smells because I'm not a perfume influencer, but actually this thing smells nice. It had been long I tried something Udi, so I told the woman to give me something Udi and she gave me this one, and when I perceived it I had to get another bottle. Guys, it smells so masculine, and I got this one. I don't even know the name. I don't know how to describe the perfume, but when it comes to selection of perfume, I'm very good at it. Like, I'm very good at it. This one is giving that soft life, and that's why I signed up for soft life. Like, I not come to this life to suffer. Also, I also got this perfume, and another thing that made me to get this perfume is that it will last me before I go back to Aba. Like, look at how big it is. The name is Nima, and guys, if I tell you that this perfume smells so good, I think it's a body spray. Okay, this is a fragrance mist. Guys, this is just a floral, I think it's a floral scent that has a bit of fruitiness in it. I cannot describe perfume, so don't judge me, but when I tell you this perfume is nice, it's nice. As if this perfume like comes in a like oil perfume form, I like to get it because guys, it smells so good. And yeah, I think I'm done with the smaller bag, and we're going to head over to the big bag. The big bag, nothing much. I decided to go outside because the sun have gone down inside. I don't know whether you guys will see, yeah, this part, and this part means my full face, my full body. And yeah, we are going to continue the unboxing, and we are going to be unboxing what is inside the big bag. I told you there's nothing much, like just only few things I just got during the trade fair. NG Couture. I don't like buying fake things. Highest, let me just go look for the lowest of brand, but just give me your product, just give me your quality. I'll just take it like that than buying fake things. Like, I don't know, I wanted to add a clip of this trouser, but I don't know, I don't know whether I'll say the storage is filled. That's why it's having a little bit of problem. So look at the cargo pants that I got. Guys, I was influenced by nice students. Everybody cargo pants, and me, I need to have one, maybe one or two. They'll now know that I've joined them. I've witnessed what they are witnessing, that cargo pant of it. But guys, actually I love cargo pants. The first time I tried it was I tried cargo pants. I can't even remember myself. But when I tried the first one the woman gave me, she first of all gave me the blue one. Yeah, it has, like, I love the design, I love the concept. It has one, I don't even know what I'll call it, but it was nice. She added it on the pocket side, and she now gave me this one. This one was just looking too simple, but when I wore it, it embodied my body very well. That's one thing I love about it. I wanted to go for the blue one, but I just like how this one just looks on me, and it's just big. I like big trousers. This one, I'll look forward to match with it. I don't even know to match with it. Maybe I'll look for one white polo or one white shirt and just use, and somebody has to look good. Guys, this is actually bigger than what I expected though. Like, actually it's good. I like how it's big. I love big trousers. Like, I just love how it's big. Guys, I actually like it, and please rate it in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, I think this will be ending, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Love, guys. See you in my next vlog. Peace.